Cozmo and Vector are small, interactive robots created by the same company, Anki. Vector uses AI and cloud-based processing for voice commands and advanced functions. It is highly autonomous, it roams around, explores its environment, and reacts to stimuli without constant input. Cozmo robot is less autonomous, it requires interaction through its app. Its activities and responses are heavily reliant on user control and input. Vector focuses on being autonomous and always active. It is designed as a home companion robot. Its functions include voice assistance, answering questions, setting timers, and providing weather updates. Cozmo focuses on interaction through games and programming. It is primarily an educational and entertainment robot. It is used for users to program and play with using a companion app. Choose Vector Robot if you want a standalone, always-on AI companion that can assist with tasks and integrate into a smart home environment. Choose Cozmo if you're looking for an engaging, programmable robot for education or entertainment. Both robots are highly expressive and charming, making them popular choices for different needs and audiences.